What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna be putting in this fucking overpipe here. So I've been running this car with no overpipe on it, and it's just been way too goddamn loud. So we're gonna put this bitch on there to make sure it gets a little quieter. I do have a front pipe also, but we're not installing that today. We're just gonna be doing the overpipe. This is Alonzo, my boy. Been my best friend since high school.
Know what it is.
So one thing you should be doing if you're going to replace your overpipe is you should definitely jack up your engine, lift it up a little bit, gives you more clearance. With the stock overpipe, you have a heat shield around it, so it's a little bit thicker. With this one's an aftermarket one, stainless steel, so it's going to be a little bit easier to slide in there. Alright, so we got to put the overpipe like right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that right there is the front pipe. And then we got this little kind of round area over here. And then it connects to the headers at the bottom there. I'm gonna get you another angle.
I like that.
So you gotta, they can't even see me.
You're
I
like,
see my legs.
right there, you're like,
Drop.
yo, I'm weak.
Alright guys, so this is what comes included with the overpipe. Gaskets, you need these. Some bolts. These are for the headers. We're not going to use these because the headers already have them. So we just put these away. But we are going to use these bolts because mine are rusted to shit. So we're going to use this. Easy money. Alright, so just for the people watching, we're taking out the front pipe to give us more space to be able to put the overpipe in there. Got a hanger here that holds up the front pipe with one bolt on it. It's a 14 millimeter to take it out. Hopefully y'all can hear me. So the front pipe also has two bolts holding it in. It's a spring. So and there's a donut gasket in between, so just be careful. Oh. With the front pipe out the way, we should be able to put this in.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, booty, booty.
That was easy. For all y'all over there watching, easy. Easy money.
For y'all who didn't hear it in the back.
Oh my titties. video knows, these are 14 millimeters. It's easier to use a wrench here because at least my ratchet didn't really fit in here. Just so you guys know. That's how you know you're a good mechanic.
That's how you know you're jerking
That's my strong one. Cool, so we just got that installed. Jack the car down. As you can see right there, you can kind of see the pipe. All that stainless steel glory. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna start this car up now, and we'll see the sound difference. Alright, so we finished this install. It was pretty easy. It sounds so much better. A lot better. Before it sounded like a truck or like some pickup with some nasty exhaust on it. I'm pretty happy. Alright, see y'all.